Hello and welcome back. So going to be our sixth task, and in this we're going to reverse a list in Python. We're going to do this using two different ways. One is going to be by using the built-in function of reverse, and the other way is going to be using the for loop, where we're going to loop from the last to the first part of the list. So hope you will understand it. Let's begin. The task is to reverse a list. So let's just paste the task, that is reversing a list. So where is the list? I just create a list. Okay, this is the list. We're going to reverse it. So let's create a function reverse list. Okay, that will take one argument that is going to be L1. Okay, and then it is going to reverse the list L1 dot okay, let's now create another assignment of L1 to L2, and then L2 dot reverse. Okay, and then we're going to return L2. Okay, now let's check it out. Reverse, and we provide L1 as the argument. Now the list is reversed. Okay, when no argument was provided, so there was an error. Reverse list takes 0 potential argument, but 1 was given. Okay. We're going to provide this as an argument, and then we're going to run it. Now the other way around is by using the for loop. So let's do it. Okay, let's just copy. Okay, L1 is already defined, so we're going to define rev list 2, which will also take L1 as an argument. Okay, we're going to create another list L2. This will hold the reverse value of L1. We're going to create counter that will count the values or the total number of elements in L1. So you get to count, or actually the len is the function. So L1, so we are going to, for I in range, okay, we're going to use counter -1. Just define the starting point. The ending point would be -1 again. That would be up to 0, and it is going to be in the reverse order. So now L2 dot append, we are going to append what I, that will be the index of the L1, and at the end we're going to return L2. Okay, now the function is created. Let's try this. Reverse list 2, and we're going to pass on list 1 into it, and it again produces the reverse list of 4 to 1. Okay, I hope you understood it. May you have any queries, feel free to get in touch, and definitely try to get in touch or by giving feedback using the comment section. Thank you.